Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import browser bookmarks from Safari to Microsoft Edge. If you are switching to Edge from Safari, you don't have to manually transfer the bookmarks through HTML file. Let me walk you through the process. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the Favorites page. From the options, select Import Favorites. You can see we don't have a direct option to import bookmarks from Safari. So choose what to import from other browser section. From the drop-down menu, choose Safari. And you can see there is no option to import bookmarks here. Here, we only have the option to import browsing history. To get the option to import bookmarks, we need to give full disk access to Edge browser on Mac. To do this, go to Settings and then Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, go to Full Disk Access. Here, enable Microsoft Edge to give full access. If you don't see Microsoft Edge here, use the plus button at the bottom and select Edge from Applications. Since I have the Microsoft Edge here, I'll just enable this. Quit and reopen, proceed. Sometimes it might ask for a password. Please enter your Mac password. Once the Microsoft Edge reopens, go to the Import Favorites page again and choose what to import. Again, select Safari from the drop-down menu. Now you can see Favorites and Bookmarks option here. Before we proceed to import, notice that my Favorites bar is empty. So make sure you select the bookmarks. Click Import. You'll get all of your bookmarks imported to your Favorites bar. As you can see, I only have a few bookmarks that I added for the testing purpose. All of those were imported to the bookmarks bar on Edge. And that's it. That's how you import bookmarks from Safari to Microsoft Edge. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.